In previous videos, we learned how to add two vectors together. What if you have three vectors? If you have three vectors, it turns out that you can pick any two vectors, add them up, and add the other one to the result. For example, if I have vector A, B, and C, right here, A, B, and C, I can pick to add A and B first, and then I will add C later. Or I can pick to add A and C first, and then I can add B later. Or I can pick B and C, and then add A later. Let's take a look at it graphically. So let's consider this case. I'm going to add A and B. So I bring A and B here. I attach the tail of B to the head of A. This means I have to draw from this point to that point to get A plus B. And this is A plus B is an intermediate vector I want to add C upon. So I'm going to attach the tail of C to this point right there, and this is C. So now I'm adding this intermediate vector to the C vector. So what I have to do here is I have to draw from this point to this point, and that will be A plus B plus C. And that's what I want. A plus B first, and plus C later. For the second case, second option, I'm going to do A plus C first. So I have C over here. I decided to attach a tail of A to the head of C. So this is A. So what I have to do here is I'm going to draw from this point to that point to get my intermediate vector. And this is C plus A. Recall that C plus A is equal to A plus C. Now I have to bring the vector B in. So I'm going to attach the tail of B over here. So this is B. So now I'm adding this vector C plus A to B. So I am going to draw from this point to that point. And this is A plus C, or C plus A plus B. And now you realize that this vector and this vector, they are the same. I pretty much copy and paste this one over here. Now in the last case, we are going to take B and C first. Here it is. This is B. I decided to add C on top of B, so I attach the tail of C to the head of B. Now I'm going to draw from this point to that point to get an intermediate vector. So this one is B plus C. Bringing A in, I am going to attach the tail of A over here. And this is A. So I'm going to do the addition of this vector to that vector. So I'm going to draw from this point to that point. And this one is B plus C, then plus A. And again, this one is identical to this one and that one. So we have shown graphically that if you have three vectors to add, you can pick any pair, any two vectors to add first, and then you can add the rest of the vectors into it. To enforce your learning, write, comment, or share what you have learned today and hashtag PhysicsLitUp. And subscribe to Physics Lit Up for the next video.